Let's have a look at this two-band radio, the International 833, the model number. It's a cheap Chinese radio. It comes in 3 colors. As you can see here in the pictures, looks not bad. It looks nice, but in reality, it is very crappy. This is the radio itself. The plastic is very rough. And yeah, it's very cheap. Come with telescopic antenna for the FM, of course. This is the tuning dial. Poorly glued LED indicator, and this is the on-off switch and the volume combined. So let's turn it on and see. FM does not work.
Download the free ABC Listen app.
You'll see an immediate impact, right? You'll see an immediate impact.
The AM is also not the best. Here we have headphone jack by the look of it, and that's everything. No marking here. AM, FM, that's all. So this is the black one, and let's see, I got a few here. I got these for free. Someone got rid of them, so I picked them up. You think this is bad? You need to check the white one. It's look even cheaper. At least this looks nice. The color, I mean. This one. The plastic even not. You can see all the imperfections, even though it says quality control passed. Batteries do not fit. Yeah, the battery do not fit. So this one, you cannot use it at all, even though it's brand new and never been used. So did they ever check it before they packaged it? Let's have a look at the now. Here we have the red one. So these are all the colors. Again, FM does not work. Okay, there's one channel, that's it. AM.
conservation. It's a company. There was a call.
The tuning is very bad. You get only 3 channels and overlapping. Let's see what else we have here. Another white. As you can see, there's the yellow all around. Another white. And another white. Let's see how this. Also hard to insert the batteries. Yeah, looks like all the whites, or at least 2 of them, hard to insert the batteries. Let's see this one. Yeah. No. For some reason, these yellow ones, the batteries do not fit. The black and the red are okay. Let's open it and see what's inside. Only 2 screws. And that's the inside. Let's see why the batteries do not fit. Okay, now it fits. But there's no sound. LED is on. Yeah, we got something.
But not the alpine conditions. So we're encouraging these animals to become aware of their innate ability to survive in non-alpine environments. And that's exactly what's happening. They are now not hibernating. They're enjoying the cool, the warm temperatures. In fact,
So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transistors, and that's all. This looks like a tuning cap for one band or 2. I don't know, don't remember. Maybe for 2 because it has 2. So this is it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. Probably will pass them for free for another one. We'll list them for free on the marketplace for if someone wants them. Thank you for watching.